Welcome to the Weather Guru podcast for June the 9th, 2025. June the 9th, 2025. We're looking at the severe weather watches and warnings. We have a bunch of severe weather warnings that are in effect for a lot of different states, specifically Pennsylvania, Texas, New York, and South Carolina. We're seeing some storms in central PA fire up here. This is mostly going to be straight line winds and hail, about 1-inch hail here. These storms are moving northeast at 37 knots. This includes Blair and Huntington counties, around Clarion, Pennsylvania, northeast of Pittsburgh, and also around the Altoona State College area. A half-inch hail there and strong storms there heading through State College in Pennsylvania and the 99 freeway down from Altoona and up into northwest of Williamsport and St. Mary's and all those areas there. Some heavy storms there continue to fire. Now in Texas, we do have a severe storm warning, and this is for Austin and Colorado counties here. As you can see, Brazos, Sealy, Cat Spring, in this area, some rotational features is there, but we can see the hail of greater than almost 1.5 inches and 60-mile-an-hour winds, and there's a tornado that could possibly be on the ground. There's a radar indicated one in the middle here, as you can see here. It's possible heading towards Sealy. So if you're in Sealy, San Felipe, Brazos County, get in your safe space here. Cat Spring as well, as a tornado, possible tornado on the ground makes its way, a funnel cloud makes its way in your area. Now in New York, same thing. We have 70-mile-an-hour winds and hail, and this purple here you can see outlined clearly here through Urbana, Savannah, and Campbell and Bradford, New York. This is all moving here toward the northeast here at about 25 knots. So this will be coming in towards Hector, New York, Interlaken, Covert, and this is going to be heading into the Finger Lakes area, Ithaca, Watkins Glen area, and the beautiful Finger Lakes region of New York, out of northern PA here, Caldersport and Williamsport. So these storms are all affecting along the PA New York border there. Down south in South Carolina, we have some hailstorms here around Kingstree, South Carolina, just to the east of I-75. These storms here are moving their way toward Lake City, Johnsonville, Hemingway, South Carolina, down towards Lane, South Carolina. So there's a severe thunderstorm warning for you guys in South Carolina and the Low Country for the next 23 minutes, and also in the Midlands of South Carolina here. These storms here just to the west of Columbia through Lawrence and Greenwood, South Carolina, and McCormick, South Carolina, heading towards Saluda and Newberry, South Carolina. You guys on the severe thunderstorm warning for the next 25 minutes here or so. So in North Carolina as well, we have severe thunderstorm warnings in Bladen and Columbus County. This is south of Fayetteville and I-95 and Lumberton here, toward Clarkton and Whiteville, North Carolina, White Lake and Garland. You guys on the severe storm warning for the next 37 minutes here. 1-inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour straight winds that are coming in there. So you want to be careful. Some of these could rotate and create hail damage to vehicles as possible here. So if you're in those areas, Whiteville, North Carolina, Clarkton, White Lake, just to the east of I-95 and St. Paul's exit there between St. Paul's and Lumberton and Garland, North Carolina, want to be careful there. And these showers extend all the way off the coast, North Myrtle Beach. Not a beach stay down there in Myrtle Beach and North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Not a beach stay down there at all. But the storms are going to exit out in the next 30 minutes to an hour. As well as flash flood warnings. We have some flash flood warnings down here in Escambia County, Alabama, Bruton, Atmore, just to the north of Mobile, Alabama here. This heading over toward the I-10 corridor here and the 65 corridor from Evergreen to Fort Deposit there. Heavy rain and showers here. None of this is severe, but there is a severe thunderstorm warning here down in southern Covington County, south central Alabama, till 7:30 Central Daylight Time. 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Expect damage to roof siding and trees here as the system continues to push eastward here. So we have a bunch of severe thunderstorm warnings here. As you can see, as I zoom out here, you can see a lot of showers here south of Montgomery. That was the area yesterday that got into a lot of action. So did Birmingham and Hoover, Alabama, too, just south of Birmingham, got into some action. So you can see where we have those severe thunderstorm warnings. I showed you in North Carolina and in South Carolina, in the Midland State, and also the Low Country down there as well. And you can see the ones I showed you in Pennsylvania, New York, and Texas. So those are the hot spots there. There is a couple of ones out west there in New Mexico and Oklahoma, but we saw those earlier, and they haven't been too bad overall here. We can go to that one in New Mexico here. I can show you. This expires in 20 minutes. It's for Debaca and Guadalupe counties. 1-inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour winds. No rotation with these here, but you can see that heavy hail corridor, heavy hail core, and purple there around the Santa Rosa area there. But you can see also that these are moving in a scattered direction fashion here. As you can see, they're moving very scattered erratically here, and it's basically raining itself out and hailing itself out over kind of an unpopulated area, Santa Rosa, New Mexico. This is out to the southeast, about maybe 3 hours southeast of Santa Fe here. So it's a very unpopulated area here east of Albuquerque and Santa Fe. And these showers are raining them out over the deserts and Tucumcari and the deserts up there. But just be careful if you're heading along I-40 there from Santa Rosa to Tucumcari. Some showers in New Mexico that could be severe and dropping hail there. So just pull over the side of the road if hail is greater than an inch or two so you don't damage your car and things of that nature. So this is when your severe thunderstorm warnings, watches, and flood watches in effect for the lower 48 United States. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel, The Weather Guru. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you on the next episode. Thank you for listening.